In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start over with Squarespace 7.1. Whether you're refreshing your current website or building something brand new, these steps will guide you through the process. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the Squarespace website. If you're not logged in yet, click Login. And for a faster option, select Continue with Google if your account is linked. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your sites. Click on the one you'd like to start over with. From there, look to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. In the menu that appears, select Create Website. This will take you to Squarespace's template section where the fun begins. Click Browse Templates and take some time exploring the wide variety of designs available. Whether you want something minimal and clean or bold and dynamic, there's a template for every vision. When you found the one that fits your style, click Start with this design. Squarespace will then set up a fresh site using your chosen template. From here, you can fully customize your new site, add your own content, adjust the style, and personalize everything to match your brand or vision. And that's it. You've just started fresh with Squarespace 7.1. Remember, the best websites not only look great, but also work seamlessly for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other tutorials for more Squarespace tips and tricks.